My name is Monica Aho. I'm a pediatric physical therapist.
I am Cynthia Stites, and I'm a physical therapist assistant. I started in outpatient pediatrics with Monica, actually, 17 years ago, and started working with kids, and actually just fell into the opportunity of working in special ed and loved it.
I have always loved working with kids and knew that that's what I wanted to do when I became a physical therapist. So when I moved here, there was an opening. I had started, like Cynthia said, in outpatient, and then the ISD needed a contractor, and I knew that that was my opening to start working with kids. So our roles as physical therapists are to ensure that the children can access their educational environment. So that includes getting around the classroom, down the hallway, up and down the stairs, outside on the playground, that they can participate with their peers in gym class, that they are moving in their educational environment in order to maximize their experience while they're at school.
The most rewarding is watching kids progress and sometimes do the unthinkable. I mean, I think sometimes we set goals, we'll often set goals very high because we know you can do it. And then it's just very rewarding to see that come about and see their lives change with those goals that they meet.
A big part of our job is advocating, and that takes many different forms, but it's either like you are doing more than just seeing how the kid moves. You know what they need in order to succeed, and you're fighting for them. To realize that it's never just a job that you come to do and then leave. These kids become your kids. They become your family. We get to see kids for longer periods of time in the school district. We've seen some of our kids from the time they were babies in early intervention, and now they're 25 years old, and that is such a joy to be able to follow them through their whole journey.
And if they're unsure, I know we've told our students too, volunteering with kids is a great opportunity, like volunteering at Bay Cliff or volunteering with maybe some preschools or anything like that, to start working with kids to see even if that's a field that you want to be in, if you're even thinking about it or sort of on the fence.
Our community is just amazing. And what we're able to do because of that tight-knit community and the support that we get from our community is, I think, better than anything. I never say never when it comes to kids, because the kids have taught me that. And I think of the one young girl who just recently went to nationals for track and field. Just seeing the transformation that's happened in her, like, it's just amazing to see how empowered these kids can get when they feel confident and strong in themselves.